Hi, my name is Dave and I'm going to show you how to caulk a window frame. Caulking is a simple way to seal gaps between window frames and walls to prevent drafts. So let's get into it. To detect potential air leaks around windows and doors, you can employ this simple yet effective method. If there's airflow, you'll notice the flame flickering. When choosing caulk for your window frames, it's essential to use one that is weatherproof and also suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Look for caulks labelled exterior or weatherproof to ensure they can withstand exposure to the elements. On the outside, use a polyurethane based product as it is durable and flexible and ideal for weatherproofing. On the inside, use a gap filler. After removing the old caulk, clean the window frame to remove any dust and dirt. Apply masking tape on the edge of the window frame. This will help with a cleaner finish when you apply the caulk. Load the caulk cartridge into the caulking gun and cut off the tip of the nozzle at a 45-degree angle. You'll need the angle of the nozzle to match the gap you're filling. Start by caulking the exterior side of the window frame, applying a continuous bead of caulk along the seam where the frame meets the bricks. Next, use a caulk finishing tool to smooth and shape the caulk into a neat, uniform seal. Then, remove the masking tape. Caulking window frames should be done both indoors and outdoors to ensure a complete seal and maximise energy efficiency. Once you've done the outside, move inside and repeat the process. This dual approach ensures good protection against drafts, moisture and energy loss, helping to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient year round. Once the caulk is dry, check for any gaps that may need additional caulk. And there you have it, a properly caulked window frame. Taking your time to seal your windows can make a big difference to your energy efficiency and comfort. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.